guys, I am back out in the amazing community of Willow Creek Ranch. This stunning acreage community is in Tomball, Texas. I have sold over 20 homes in this neighborhood. I have become the go-to in Willow Creek Ranch. Today, we are looking at this gorgeous 4-bedroom, amazing outside entertainment, amazing game room off the first floor, off the pool. Stunning home. I cannot wait to show this one to you. Come check this out with me. Okay, I just walked in. Gorgeous dining picture, nice stairwell, nice open concept here. Huge windows across the back. Loving this dining room here. We've got a really cool wine cellar right here. It's temperature controlled. Take you down. Towards the primary here. This is kind of your primary wing. So you've got a really cool powder here. Kind of like a primary sitting area. Okay, so we have our primary wing here. And there's 2 entrances to the bathroom. Got one here. And then you've kind of got a walk-through shower there. Got your TV. And another nice large vanity. This is gonna be toilet here. And then obviously tub. Looks like we might have 2 separate toilets. Yes. So 2 separate toilets. This is a huge closet here. Gorgeous. And then let me take you down to the primary bedroom over here. Got a nice little coffee bar here. And here's your primary. Come back this way. It's got a really nice size laundry room in here. A sink, extra fridge. Very cool living room. Okay, so here's your kitchen. Got some awesome decor appliances. Double dishwashers here. Got this decor fridge. And also microwave. Got a really cool coffee machine built in there. Got your pot filler. This is a huge storage room. And then this is probably my favorite room in the house. Check this out. Okay, so this is their game room. It's really, really cool. Love it. Got a full bar in here. There's a door to the outside, which we'll go to in a little bit. You've got one bathroom here. And you've got a guest bedroom here. Okay, so you have a game room up here and then 2 bedrooms. So one hall bathroom. Nice good sized bedroom with its own full bath. Walk-in closet there and another full bedroom down here. Got a stackable washer dryer there and another full bedroom. Good walk-in closet and full bathroom here. Okay, so here's your outdoor living. It's pretty amazing. Got an outdoor bathroom here. And then this is your pool. You got a putting green. Lots of privacy. Okay guys, I hope that you loved that video of this amazing home. If you are looking for luxury in Northwest Houston, I am the person you need to reach out to. I would love to hear from you days, nights, weekends. Feel free to reach out anytime and have a blessed day.